Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Piaggio Fly 150. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This scooter has 3,399 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this scooter's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this scooter so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of the scooter's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint peeling from the peg, scratches and blemishes on the trunk case. The scooter has an owner's manual and 2 keys. It's been upgraded with a top case. This vehicle has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. The scooter is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.